Welcome back. BJP candidate in Kudsore Nilesh Kabral has appealed to Kudsorkars to vote for him on the 3rd of March. He has assured people to develop Kudsore and provide employment to the youth.
Nilesh Kabral says if he is voted to power, he would develop Kudsore constituency. He had a corner meeting in Kudsore in the presence of Lok Sabha MP Shripad Naik, Dr. Daya Shankar and others.
परंतु या 50 वर्षाक आमी करू शकले ना. आज मनाक एक वेळ खंतरी दिसता पण हे कित्याक करू शकले ना हे तुम्ही जाणात. कारण जे सत्तेचेर आयले आणि निदान या काँग्रेसच्या सरकारान जरी जे सत्तेचेर आले त्या सत्तेचो उपयोग ते स्वतःच्या स्वार्था खातीरच करून घेतलो हे तातूंतल्यान सिद्ध जाता.
जेन्ना 3 तारखेक हो उमेदीन भरलेलो भुरगो जो आसा तुमची कामां करपाक फुडें सरलेलो आसा 3 तारखेक भायर सरून तुम्ही 3 तारखेक एकजुटीन भायर सरून म्हाका सांगनाका की आमची सोयरी मडगांव रावता पणजे रावता पूण तेजे वोट हांगा आसा. तुम्ही तांकां सांगा की हे फावटी आमी हांगा एक रिकॉर्ड करपाक जाय. हो रिकॉर्ड कित्याक हो जो भुरगो आसा उमेदीन भरलेलो आसा कामां करपाक लोकांची.
A reporter in Kudsore, Mayur Naik.
The TVS Save Youth Save Goa road safety campaign came to an end this Sunday at the Gomes racetrack in Kalangut. Over 250 participants tried their skills at the specially designed track by Goa Motorsport Association. The track was highly technical and as promised by the GMSA president, Ashley Gomes, speed was not allowed to exceed past the second gear. All in all, the event was a success and all the participants who took part left the track better riders.
The track was highly technical. There was no chance to engage third gear, which meant, as promised by GMSA, the speeds were controlled. Many girl riders turned up for the designated 5 laps, which was a heartening sight as well.
If you are taking a speed breaker, you don't know that it's a speed breaker. The boys, girls, whoever, they tend to freeze when a thing like this happens. They grip the bike, they sit firm on the bike and they try to cross the speed breaker. When the fork goes down, it gets compressed. Then it starts releasing out. And as the rear wheel is coming on the uphill of the jump, the shock absorber gets compressed behind. And as it's going down, the shock absorber gets released and the speed picks up. That is when a rider is thrown out, he's flung in that position. All you need to do is hold the handlebar, the grip firmly, keep your feet firmly on the footrest and just stand up. Make sure you're at least one span away from the seat because the seat is going to hit up. Just let that movement happen. The shock absorbers which are there will do their job.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira also tested his skills. With video journalist Anil Sanadi from Kalangut.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get the latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Bye-bye.